Hey guys, Alexander Verbitskiy is here with a quick tutorial on how to get a terabyte of free cloud storage. So this is essentially an app, just like Dropbox. Creates a folder in computer, you put files in the folder, it syncs it to the cloud, you can access it through other computers, web interface, or application for your phone. Android, iPhone, Mac, PC, everything's supported. So the problem with that service is that it's only in Russian, so that's why I figured out you might need my assistance to kind of walk you through the registration process where it asks you specific information, and I'm just going to show which field means what and kind of help you out with that. Now, this offer is only available till 20th of January 2014, so if you're watching after that, you might not be getting the terabyte, but I think their base plan is like 100 gigabytes for free. So it's still much better than what Dropbox offers you. And even with the Russian interface, I think it's still worth kind of trying to work around it. Now, let's get started. I'm going to be posting a link in the description. So once you get to this web page, just click get this black button in the bottom. Now, it's going to ask you for your email address with that company. And assuming you don't have it, you might want to click registration button over here. So here, I'm going to ask you for your name, then for your last name. Date of birth, that's a little different. You first select date, and then you select month. January, February, March, April, and so on and so forth. And then a year. Now, for the city, just select something from the drop-down menu. I don't think it will let you select anything that's not in Russia. I'm not sure, though. I haven't tried that. Now, that's your gender, male, female. Now it's going to ask you for essentially your login information you want to choose. I'm just going to do Alex Verbitskiy mailroom. Okay. Now password. Confirm password. Then it asks you for your phone. It has to be in Russia. So no, actually, you can choose from the drop-down menu of other countries. But really, all you need to do is click here and just select a security question that you can, have whatever answer you want to have. And for example, this one says your favorite food in childhood. Well, that was rice for me. And your alternative email address. I'm kind of assuming you're not really going to be using this anyway, but just create a document maybe where you put like, okay, for this website, this is my security question answer. In case, because it probably selects questions for you randomly, so you're probably not going to have the same question as I have. Awesome. Now it's going to ask you to put in code from the picture, and luckily that's in English. So, I'm wondering if those are zeros or O's. You never know. I think it worked. Awesome. Once you have your email registered with them, can skip through these things, and you need to return to that original page now here and click the get button again. And now it's going to ask you for your login information, and that's where you just put it in. Something didn't go right. Just click it again. Yep, there we go. And that's what you should see. It basically tells you, welcome, you get 100 gigabytes for free. You can install it in your phones, Android or Mac, iPhone. Just click next. Click a button here that basically says, I agree with the license agreement. License agreement is also in Russian, but I mean, it's pretty straightforward. So if you feel like it, you can use like Google Translate or something to go over it. But it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty standard license agreement. Awesome. And now you have this message that tells you, okay, install app for your phone or your computer, and we'll give you a terabyte of cloud storage for free. So I'm gonna do exactly that. I'm gonna select Mac, and now the app is downloaded. Once I'm gonna download the app, it's essentially one of those apps that you kind of drag and drop into your applications folder, and then when you open it for the first time, it's gonna ask you where do you want to have your storage, and I'm gonna show you something my roommate did actually to kind of help him work with the app. So I drag and drop it there, and cool. Here's the icon for the app. I actually have registered another one before that already. I'm gonna use that instead. This one I'm just showing for the tutorial purposes. And then you click I agree. And this yellow button is login. And I think it's really okay. There we go. So it asks you where you want the folder to be. I'm just gonna name that 1 terabyte cloud, and that's what my roommate did. So he remembers which folder it is, and it just drags and drops things in there without needing to click on the app. The reason for that is if you click on the app, everything is in Russian essentially, and it tells you stop synchronization, open the folder, open the website, license agreement, submit, I guess, report, or change password, and this is kind of like proxy settings essentially, and just exit. And there's no really way that I found yet to change it to English. So what you can do, you can just open a Finder window, and you're gonna have your terabyte storage here, where you can just drop things to. So hopefully that helped, and I guess goodbye. Have a great one.